Hello everyone, so today I'm reacting to Taeyeon's Rain, and I saw the latest one, which was and obviously the song was really good. It's not my favorite song, but it was a really good song. So I'm wondering if this one's going to be a ballad also, or if it's going to be more upbeat, but judging by the name, Rain, it sounds like it's going to be kind of sad. So it might be a depressing one. I don't know. I have seen some like screenshots and stuff from Taeyeon's Instagram. And it looks cool, so I feel like the colors are going to be cool. Yeah. Sorry. My voice might be a little weird because I came back from the dentist like a few hours ago and like half my face is numb. So if it looks weird, it's because of that. Okay, so we'll be reacting to Taeyeon's Rain in 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Oh, her little short hair bob. She looks really cute with that short hair. I mean, she looks good with short or long hair, but... her little fuzzy sweater looks so comfortable. Oh, she's showing some little collarbone. Oh my god, her legs are so tiny. She's so tiny. I can't tell if she was wearing shorts or like underwear. Oh, okay. I guess they're just really short shorts. I mean, that's expected of K-pop videos, but they seemed a lot shorter than usual. So Taeyeon, she was my bias at first for Girls' Generation. And then I kind of got used to Sunny, and then I couldn't pick between them. But overall, I really like Sunny a lot. I just feel like Sunny is more like her personality and looks, I guess. And Taeyeon, it was more about her voice. But I mean, Taeyeon's also very pretty and dorky, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with my arms. I don't know what to say, but... Oh, are those a bunch of bubbles, or... Whoa. That was cool, the transition between the black and white to like the color. At first the water was kind of red there. It looks kind of like it was bloody or something, but it's just the lighting of the room. She's gonna sit there in the flooded room? dip her feet in there. I don't know what the meaning is behind this video or song. But yeah, I mean, it was pretty, like I thought it was gonna be. It was pretty. The colors were great. Her singing was great. It was all around great. But like I said, I'm not really into slower songs, so it was like, okay. I'm not sure if I'll listen to it again. I don't know. Maybe it seems like one of those kind of like slow songs that you could like study to or like do laundry to. I don't know. That's just me. I'm not trying to say that it's bad. It's just, it's not my favorite. I guess I could say that. But yeah, so that was my reaction to that. You can like, comment, subscribe if you'd like. And I will see you next time. Bye.